Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V2020 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on composition option. When we tap on it, we can see that we can add two types of grid lines, the standard grid and the golden spiral. So let me start with grid. When we tap on it, we can turn it on. So let's move back to the camera. And now in the preview we can see these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Let's move back to the left corner settings, to the composition, and tap to the golden spiral now. And in the preview we can see now this kind of view. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the left corner settings, tap to the composition and pick the off option from the right. So for now, the grid lines have gone in the preview. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.